YouTube Shorts is a relatively new feature on the popular video sharing platform that allows creators to share short-form vertical videos. These videos can be up to 60 seconds long and are intended to be a quick and engaging way to share content with viewers. However, if you're new to the platform, you might be wondering about the size of YouTube Shorts. Here are 5 things you need to know about YouTube Shorts size. Aspect ratio. One of the most important things to keep in mind when creating YouTube Shorts is the aspect ratio. The aspect ratio refers to the relationship between the height and width of the video. For YouTube Shorts, the recommended aspect ratio is 9:16, which means that the height of the video is 16 units while the width is 9 units. This vertical aspect ratio is similar to the aspect ratios used on other popular social media platforms like Instagram Stories and TikTok. Using the recommended aspect ratio for YouTube Shorts ensures that your video will be optimized for viewing on mobile devices, which is where the majority of YouTube Shorts views will come from. It also ensures that the video will be displayed correctly in the Shorts player on the YouTube app. Resolution. Another important consideration when creating YouTube Shorts is the resolution. The resolution refers to the number of pixels in the video and determines how sharp and clear the video appears. The recommended resolution for YouTube Shorts is 1080 x 1920 pixels. This means that the video should be 1080 pixels wide and 1920 pixels tall. Using the recommended resolution ensures that your video will look great on both mobile devices and desktops. It also ensures that your video will be optimized for viewing in full screen mode on mobile devices, which is where the majority of YouTube Shorts views will come from. File size. When uploading your YouTube Shorts video, it's important to keep the file size in mind. The maximum file size for a YouTube Shorts video is 500 megabytes. If your video is too large, it may not be able to be uploaded to the platform. To ensure that your video is under the maximum file size, you may need to compress it before uploading it to YouTube. There are many video compression tools available online that can help you reduce the file size of your video without sacrificing too much in terms of quality. Length. The maximum length for a YouTube Shorts video is 60 seconds. This means that creators have to be creative in how they use this short amount of time to convey their message or story. The short length of YouTube Shorts is intentional, as it encourages creators to create bite-sized content that is easy to consume and share. When creating your YouTube Shorts video, it's important to keep the short length in mind. Try to focus on one main idea or message, and keep your video concise and to the point. This will help ensure that your video is engaging and easy to watch, even for viewers with short attention spans. Thumbnail size. Finally, when uploading your YouTube Shorts video, you'll also need to create a thumbnail image. The thumbnail is the small image that appears alongside your video in search results and on your channel page. A good thumbnail can help increase engagement and get more views on your video. The recommended thumbnail size for YouTube Shorts is 1080 x 1920 pixels, which is the same size as the video resolution. This ensures that the thumbnail looks great on both mobile devices and desktops. When creating your thumbnail, try to choose an image that accurately represents your video and catches the viewer's attention. In conclusion, creating YouTube Shorts can be a fun and engaging way to share your content with a wider audience. However, it's important to keep the size of your video in mind when creating and uploading it to the platform. By using the recommended aspect